worshiping a faithful God. One who can completely trusted in everything. One who is faithful in all things. And one who is not changed by time or circumstances. The part of God's character is His faithfulness. Oh, kung doon ay pulong mapakias sometimes, siya dili tao nga kamaong mumamakak, hallelujah, tungod kay siya Diyos man. Bible na gaingon, ang compassion you feel abandoned, rejected, so much pain, hallelujah, depressed. But remember, great is thy faithfulness. Dako gayod ang pagkamatinud-anon sa Ginoo. Matagbuntag, makita nimo ang kaluoy sa Ginoo. Wala kaniya pasagdi. Wakan niya, hallelujah, tugutan niya, hallelujah, nga naa sa naglaw ng sa depresyon. But instead, morning by morning, new mercy